I knew you could fall in love with shoes. Well, I mean, I guess I knew that, but I hadn't found them yet. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a try on of some shoes from Cozy Island. I had heard about this brand, and when they reached out to me, I was so excited because like I've said in a couple other videos, I'm trying to elevate my style in 2025, and shoes are a big part of that. I don't work a corporate job, and I don't have a need to be super fancy most of the time, but I wanted something that's comfortable, elegant, and sophisticated that's going to make me feel a lot better about myself and really just bring every outfit that I have from this level to the next one. And this is absolutely the way to do it. Cozy Island has an incredible selection of shoes. They're all very sophisticated and they're made from recycled materials, which is awesome. Like they say in their name, they are super, super cozy. So they were kind enough to send me 3 different pairs to show you, and I do have a code to save you some money. These shoes will be linked down below and the code will be there, but here is the code as well for you. Let's go ahead and try them on. Post filming Ellie here, I do want to give a heads up that some of these pieces were sent to me free for review or showing you. A lot of them you've seen in previous videos and a lot of them you will see in future videos. Some of them are never seen before, but I will leave a little star down below so you can make sure that you're aware of which links are referral links. If there is something that I can link down below that I purchased myself, I will leave that without the asterisk. So just so you know, full transparency here. First, we have these. These are like the epitome of classy woman shoe, and I love them. So they are a mule, and I am obsessed. They're made of this really nice meshed netted material, and it does have an elastic bit here, so it's comfortable, but you can adjust it as well. And then something I really appreciate is that this is kind of lifted up, so you can actually like feel like your foot is not gonna fall out. I got these in a 7.5, which is my true size. But I would probably say I should have sized down to a 7 on these. They still fit fine, but I think I would be happier in a 7. That being said, they did come with these, which are little insoles to kind of make them extra comfortable. And so I think for these shoes in particular, doing that will really just make them fit perfectly. They're already so comfortable. You can see there's a good amount of support and cushion here. The heel is not too high. It is a kind of unique shape, so it's not going to be too hard to walk in, and I just really like these. So big fan of these, and they come in a ton of color. I figured the nude would be the most versatile for me. Then we have these. I am absolutely obsessed with these. So these are a block heel mule, and they have this super fun gold chain. I love this. They also have kind of a squared toe, so it's super flattering, but it's an elongated square toe, so it's still going to make your legs look long and just make everything flow very beautifully. The block heel is super comfortable. It's nice and thick, and it is just the perfect height. I feel like this is a good height to wear with a dress or with jeans. It's very, very versatile, and I feel like it is just such a good level of giving you a little bit of height to add some length to your legs without making you feel like you're gonna fall over. So love these. Again, made with that same mesh material, so it's super stretchy and breathable, and I just love this like chocolate brown color. It just reminds me of like a Hershey's bar, which is like, I'm a sucker for a Hershey's bar. And lastly, we have my favorite pair. How do these already have dog hair on them? My life is surrounded by dog hair. These are so cute. I think these are gonna be the ones that I wear like constantly. I love these. I'm in one of my friend's weddings and we are supposed to wear black heels, and I didn't have a pair that I liked, and now I do. These are, again, a nice heel height. They're a little bit taller than the other ones, but still very walkable. That being said, I am someone that has no problem walking in heels, but these are like, this makes walking in heels a total breeze. They're super, super cushioned, and they do have that mesh material here at the front. And then both of these straps that are here do have elastic, so you can actually move and not feel like your foot is going to be suffocated. I love the arch detail in all of these. I have incredibly high arches, and I feel like with heels, I just don't end up getting any arch support. So this is a super nice change for me. They're lightweight, but they still feel heavy enough that they're not going to fall apart. And the quality is just, I'm so impressed by the quality of these. So these are definitely my favorites, but I'm also like so incredibly in love with the other two pairs. Well, friends, that was everything. Let me know down below which pair of shoes is your favorite. These are like absolutely my favorite. I'm going to be wearing these so much. And as I was styling, I realized these are so fun to style. I've mentioned this many times before on my channel, but I actually used to be a personal stylist and I kind of fell out of it and have really realized that I don't love styling myself. I feel like I struggle the most with that, whereas I love styling other people. So I had a lot of fun styling these, and they definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone. I realized as I was putting things on that there are things in my closet that I would want to pair with this that need another piece that I don't actually have. So I'm very excited to kind of play around with these some more and create some occasions where I can wear these shoes more often because they are so comfortable. I absolutely love them, and I'm so excited to try more pairs from Cozy Island. So if you are interested in trying any, check out the links for these down below and browse their site because they have so many options that are absolutely gorgeous. Here are a few other ones that I have my eyes on because, oh my goodness, they're so cute. And if you are going to buy anything, use my code to save yourself some money too. Thank you so much to Cozy Island for sending these my way. I had so much fun getting to try them on and cannot wait to wear them everywhere I go. And thank you for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.